3, 2, 1.
We're thrilled today to have opened our newest site in Jackson Heights, Queens. It is a momentous occasion for us as we're able to help so many more people, including children. We have dental care now, and are just excited to get here and help the community. I know that we have 18 exam rooms, and there are 4 dental exam rooms downstairs, so we're able to see quite a few patients.
Yeah, it's a very expansive facility, and I went along to a couple of the rooms there. A lot of light coming into the rooms, very welcoming.
Yeah, that was one of our choices or one of the reasons we chose this space is because it does feel so welcoming because of the lighting. We don't want to feel like you're in a doctor's office. The people that we see come from all different backgrounds, and it's a great place to congregate as community.
Tell me, what does the facility offer in terms of services, and who does it serve?
Sure. We offer adult and child primary care as well as dental services, and we also do several support services, such as we can sign you up for health insurance or if you needed some food assistance.
And so it's serving Jackson Heights. Is this your first location in Jackson Heights? And give me a little bit of history on the background.
Yeah, this is Aperture's first location in Jackson Heights. The organization, when it started 30 years ago, had a small office, and that's when we were primarily an HIV-centered organization. So it's just HIV testing. So we're so happy to be back in the neighborhood offering so many more services than we were prior. The services that we currently have include adult and child medical care, dental services. We do a lot of standalone tests. So for COVID, we're still testing for vaccinations, as well as you can come in for an HIV test, and we're working on getting walk-in pregnancy tests available as well.
So tell me, Phil, there was a big turnout today. What impact will this facility have on the local community in Jackson Heights?
We are thrilled with the size of the crowd that came out today. Because Aperture accepts everybody, no matter their ability to pay, their immigration status, whether they have insurance or not, we're hoping to become a vital resource for the community to create healthcare equity.
And it's right in the middle of Jackson Heights here. It's very accessible to people.
Mm-hmm. The location was incredibly important to us. We wanted to be as close to major hubs of transportation as we can to make it as easy as possible for people to come to us.
Tell me the planning. This must have taken a couple of years. I heard 2013 might have been the first time that this facility was proposed to the city or the state. Tell me some of the background as to how it all came about.
This has been a journey opening this site. One of the biggest hurdles was we had to add another fire exit to the building, so we built another egress, and that took a few years, which is why the help of the community, our elected officials, all came together to make this site happen. So today's feels pretty great. We received funding from the Primary Care Development Corporation. We had a grant from the New York City Economic Development Company, as well as many other elected officials, and the state of New York also provided money for us to open this site, understanding how vital we are to the community.
It looks very impressive, I have to say. Big congratulations. How long did it take to build?
It took, I would say overall, the site took, I would say, about a year and a half to complete. We're open to everybody. It doesn't matter whether you have the ability to pay, your immigration status, or whether you have insurance.
And so is that the difference between other medical facilities? That one of the main differences?
Yes, we are what's called a federally qualified health center, and that means that we have designations from the government where we are here to serve the community, whereas private practices don't have that same goal, that same mission. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m.
Just maybe a message to the community, maybe about the people who might be thinking of coming?
Absolutely. Aperture is so incredibly excited to see all of the Jackson Heights community to experience our kind of healthcare and to just live healthier lives.